Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss, and you all know this that my subject is mathematics. Okay? And this today's online session is for the class 2. So I hope that you all are ready to attend the online classes, right? So let's start the today's online mathematics lecture. Now the quote of the day is love what you do and do what you love. If you like study, so do it. And if you are doing something, so love it. So you will get the great result of it. This quote is very simple. Love what you do. It means whatever you like, you can do it. And whatever you are doing, just love it. Your work will be great. You will just achieve the good result for it. Now we are in chapter number 11, and the name of this chapter is a time. So be ready for this chapter. Let's doing revision of the previous topic first, and then we'll move to the today's new topic. So here is the revision. Now see this today's topic. See this, write the correct time. What? Read the instruction first. Write the correct time underneath each clock. See this. The first one has been done for you. The first clock is done for us. The answers is written. Others clock we have to write down answer for it. It means other clock we have to observe the time, read the time and write down the correct answer. The space for the answer is given. So here just see this clock. We have to give the answer for this clock. See this, that the long hand it is pointing to 12. Where it is pointing? The long hand you can call a minute hand. So the long hand or minute hand pointing to 12. So you must write down o'clock. Now check the short hand, or you can call it a hour hand. See this. It is pointing to 5. It is how many time? Can you read this time? What time it is? So the minute hand pointing to 12 and the hour and the short hand pointing to 5. So it is a 5 o'clock. What time it is? If you can see these types of hands, this position of the hands, so it is a 5 o'clock. I hope you understood this. Now the next clock I have for you. So you can see this here. The minute hand, which is the long hand, pointing to 12. Where it is pointing? It is pointing to 12. Here it is. And the 9, the short hand pointing to 9. Here you can see, check this. Here it is pointing to 9. This is the hour hand and it is pointing to 9. Here the minute hand pointing to 12, and here you can see if minute hand pointing to 12, you have to write down o'clock this way, and just check out where is the short hand pointing exactly. So the short hand is pointing exactly at 9. It is pointing to 9. So it is a 9 o'clock. You can see this. This clock shows 9 o'clock. What it shows? It shows that it is 9 o'clock. Now the next clock we are going for. See this here. You can see minute hand is pointing to 12. It means what you have to write in the answer? O'clock. You have to write down o'clock in the answer. This is minute hand and it is pointing to 12. So o'clock is written already because minute hand pointing to 12, and here is a short hand. You can see here it is pointing to 11. Minute hand is pointing to 11. Here it is. So the time is 11 o'clock. See this. What is the time of this clock? It is 11 o'clock. Now the next clock we are taking. See this. So, see this here. The minute hand pointing to 12. Can you see this? The minute hand is pointing to 12. It means you have to write down o'clock. And just check for the short hand what time it is, what number it is pointing to. So it is pointing to 3. What it is pointing? It is pointing to 3 o'clock. This clock shows it is 3 o'clock. See, I write down it is 3 o'clock. Here you can see I write the correct answer. The minute hand pointing to 12 and the short hand pointing to 3. It means it is 3 o'clock. This way you can read the clock. How you can read it? This way. It is 3 o'clock. I hope you understand properly how to read the clock. Now the next clock we are taking. Here it is. You can see this red dot. Now here the minute hand pointing to 12. Where it is pointing? The minute hand is pointing to 12. You can see. And the short hand pointing to 6. Where it is pointing? To 6. A minute hand pointing to 12 and the short hand pointing to 6. Right? So what time it is? Can you assume what time it is? I hope that your answer is correct. This is the 6 o'clock. So this way you have to give the answer, write down the proper answer. And I hope you are able to read the time now. Not properly, not exactly all the times you are able to and identify, read it. But this way the proper time, it is a 2 o'clock, it is a 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, then 3, then 6. This way you are able to just read the time. Now the next worksheet I have for you. See this. Here also there is a clock given. See this. What time it is? This is the blue color. It is the minute hand. And the red color, it is the short hand. So minute hand pointing to 12 and the short hand pointing to 4. So here is when you can see the minute hand pointing to 12, you have to write down o'clock. Just write it down o'clock. So it is 4 o'clock. See this, I write down here 4 o'clock because this blue hand, which is the minute hand pointing to 12, so you have to write down o'clock, and the short hand pointing to 4. It means it is 4. The hour is 4. So you can write down it is 4 o'clock. Then the next clock we are taking here. See this. Here is also the blue color hand, which is the long hand pointing to 12. Where it is pointing? It is pointing to 12. You can see. And the short hand pointing to 12. The hour hand pointing to 10. And the minute hand pointing to 12. So, whenever you check the minute hand pointing to 12, I repeat this again and again, so you can better understand. And here the written is o'clock. This is written here. Just check out where the short hand pointing. So the short hand is pointing the 10. So it is a 10 o'clock. You can see this. What time it is? It is a 10 o'clock. This way you can read the time properly. Now the next clock I have for you. See this, blue hand is a long hand and it is also a minute hand. You can check this. Then the number red color hand, which is the short hand, and it is pointing to 6. So what time is it? See this. So the red color hand is a hour hand, so it is pointing to 6. So students, what time is it? It is a 6 o'clock. How you can write down this? You can write down this way. It is 6 o'clock. This way you can write it down. Then the next one. See this. The blue hand is a minute hand. Which hand it is? The blue hand, it is a minute hand. The red hand, it is a hour hand. So the minute hand pointing to 12. So we have to write it down, o'clock. What we can write? O'clock. And the red hand pointing to 3, and it is an hour hand. It is pointing to 3. So what time is it? So is it a 3 o'clock? Can you see this? This is a 3 o'clock. Then the next clock here is, see this. So here the minute hand pointing to 12. See this, this is the blue color hand. It is a long hand pointing to 12, and the short hand, the hour hand, it is pointing to 8. What exactly it is pointing? The hour hand, which is in a red color, pointing to 8, and the minute hand pointing to 12. So it is 8 o'clock. What it is? It is an 8 o'clock. Then the last clock is there. See this, both the hands pointing to 12. What exactly it is pointing? The blue hand, you can see, which is the long hand. Blue hand, it is a long hand, and the red hand, it is the short hand, and both the hands exactly pointing to 12. Together it is pointing to 12. So what time it is? It is a 12 o'clock. How you can read it? You can read this way. It is 12 o'clock. Now the next exercise for you students, see this. Read the instruction. Draw the minute, it means the long hand, and an hour hand, short hand. We have to draw the hands. Time is already given. We have to draw the hands as per the given time. How to draw? Let's see through some examples so you will be better understand. Now this clock is given. There is no hands is drawn here, right? You can see this clock is empty without any hands. There is no any short hand or no any long hand. And what time we have to show? We have to show 1:10, 1 o'clock and past 10 minutes. So see this students. This is the 1 o'clock, it means short hand I draw. Short hand pointing to 1. See here, this 1 is shows it is a hour. What it shows? It is hour. It shows hour, and this 10 is showing the minutes. 1 is showing the hours, what time it is, and the 10 is showing the minutes. So 1, it means the short hand. We pointing 1, we pointing short hand to 1. See this, we pointing short hand to 1, and 10 minutes is where exactly? So here is 5 minutes, 12 to 1. it is a 5 minutes, and 12 to 2 it is a 10 minutes. What it is? 12 to 1 it is a 5 minutes, and 12 to 2 it is a 10 minutes. See this red color hand showing the hour hand. What it shows? The red color hand shows the hour hand. Then the green color hand shows the minute hand. What it shows? The green color hand is a minute hand and it is a long hand. And the red color hand, it is an hour hand and it is shows the how many hour. Okay. So it is 1 hour. So we pointing to 1 and it. Now here students see the next clock is. What is the next clock? 2 o'clock. We have to draw the hands that we can read this. This is the 2 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock. This is the short hand and this is the minute hand. So where I put the minute hand and the hour hand? Where I can put all the things, all the hands? So let's put the hands. First of all, let's put the hour hand. See this, 2 o'clock. So the short hand pointing to 2. You can see this. The short hand is pointing to 2. Here you can see. Now let's put the minute hand. It is a 0, 0. You can see this 0, 0. So here the minute hand will pointing to 12. Where it pointing? The minute hand will pointing to 12. See this. Here you can see this. You can read this clock as a 2 o'clock. How to read this? This is 2 o'clock because the short hand is pointing to 2 exactly and 0, 0 is at 12 o'clock. So it is 2 o'clock. You can read this hands as a 2 o'clock. Now this is the hour hand. This red hand shows hour hand and the green hand shows the minute hand. What it shows? It shows the minute hand. This way you can see this. Now 2:20. It means 2 hours and 20 minutes. We have to show in the clock 2 o'clock and 20 minutes. We have to draw the hands to show this time. 2:20, 2 o'clock and 20 minutes. We have to draw this. So first of all, let's draw the short hand. It shows the hour. What it shows? It shows an hour. See this 2 o'clock. That's why I just pointing it short hand to 2. See this. The short hand pointing to 2. You just try to make a clock and just write down 1 to 12 number this way and just try to draw the hands with me. So first of all, the short hand is pointing to 2. Now minute hand, where it's pointing? So 12 to 1 it's 5 minutes, 12 to 2 it's 10 minutes, 12 to 3 it's 15 minutes and 12 to 4 it's a 20 minutes. It is 2:20. You can see this. The short hand pointing to 2 and the long hand, it is a minute hand pointing to 4. Can you see this? It is a hour hand pointing to 2 and the minute hand pointing to 4. It means the 20 minutes. So this way you can show the time by drawing the hands, short hand and long hand. This way you can see this. So this time is showing 2:20 as here written. Again I am showing you This red hand is showing the hour hand and the green hand is showing the minute hand. What it shows? The green hand, it shows the minute hand. So this way, students, you can just draw the hands to show the given time. The time is already given and you can just draw the hands short and long, hour hand and the minute hand to show time, hour and minutes this way. So I hope that you understand how to draw the hands to show the given time. The time is already given. Okay? Let's take a next clock. Let's do some more practice for this clock so you will better understood this. Now 3 o'clock. The time is given. 3 o'clock. See this. The time is given 3 o'clock. So let's put the hour hand and the minute hand. Let's draw the hand to show this time in this clock. Let's show this time by drawing the minute and hour hand. Okay? So first of all, let's draw the short hand. See this. It is exactly pointing to 3. You can see this red arrow. It means the short hand. It means an hour hand pointing to 3. You can see it is pointing to 3. And let's draw the minute hand, the long hand pointing to 12. So it shows 3 o'clock. What it shows? It shows the 3 o'clock. This way you can see this. Now, this way we can read the time and we can draw the time to show the given time in the clock by drawing the hand. The time is already given. It is a 3 o'clock. And we have to draw the hands to show the time, the given time. Now I'll show you. This red color is an hour hand and the green color is a minute hand. Which hand it is? It is a minute hand. You can see this. I just show you. Which hand is what? This is the red color. It is a short hand or an hour hand. Then the green color, it is a minute hand. You can see this. So this way we can show the given time to draw the hands. It is very easy thing, students. I have some more example for you. Now I hope you are able to draw this time by yourself also. See this. Here is 6 o'clock. What time is given to us? 6 o'clock is given. Now students, we have to draw the hands, minute hand and an hour hand to show this time in the clock. Which hand we have to draw? We have to draw a long hand and a minute hand. What we have to draw? Minute hand and short hand and hour hand. Long and short, both the hands we have to draw to show this time in this clock. So first of all, let's draw the hour hand. It means the short hand. It is pointing to 6. Can you see this? It is pointing to 6 exactly. Now let's draw the minute hand. It means the long hand. Let's draw it. So see this. This is the minute hand or the long hand, you can call it. It is pointing to 12. Exactly, it is pointing to 12. Here you can see it is pointing to 12. Or what time it is? It is 6 o'clock. It is exactly 6 o'clock. This red hand shows the hour and the minute hand shows the minutes. What it shows? The red hand shows the hour and the green hand shows the minute. I hope you understand these things, that how to draw the hands according to given time. It is very easy, students, if you learn that at what digit what minutes is there. So it is very easy thing. Now let's take some more examples, so you can easily understand the thing, that how you can draw the time, you can draw the hands by given time. So here the time is given, it is 4 o'clock. What time it is? It is 4 o'clock. So tell me, students, a minute hand where it shows, where pointing to minute hand to show the 00 minutes. To show the 00 minutes, it pointing to 12, and the short hand, it means an hour hand, it is pointing to 4. Exactly, it is pointing to 4 because it is an hour hand. See this, it is pointing to 4. And the minute hand, it is pointing to exactly 12. Where it is pointing? It is exactly pointing to 12. You can see this. It is exactly pointing to 12, and an hour hand, which is the short hand, pointing to 4, and the long hand, or you can call it a minute hand, pointing to exactly 12, where it is pointing exactly at a 12. Now I'll show you the red color hand, it is the hour hand, it shows the hour, and the green color hand, it is a minute hand, it shows the minute. You can see this. So it is a given time, 4 o'clock. We done this thing, the drawing the hands. Now next example, it is 7 o'clock. What it is? It is 7 o'clock. So the hour hand, it means the short hand, it is exactly pointing to 7. Where it is exactly pointing? It is exactly pointing to 7. Or 00 minute, if you want to show by drawing hand, it is showing to 12. Exactly pointing to 12. Where it is pointing exactly? It is exactly pointing to 12. So 7, so the hour hand pointing to 7, it means the 7 hour, and 12, it shows the minutes because the minute hand is pointing to 12. It means the 00 minutes. You can see this. So it is a 7 hour and 00 minute. It means it is a 7 o'clock. This given time we draw in this given clock. It means we are drawing the hands to show this given time. I hope you understand this thing. Now let's draw the hands for the given time. It is 9 o'clock. What the time it is? It is 9 o'clock. This the time is given to us, and we have to draw this hands to show this time in the clock. See this. Here is 9. How many hours we have to show? The hour is 9. So the red color hand, which is the short hand or an hour hand, it is showing 9. It is pointing to 9. So where I pointing to minute hand, a long hand, it is pointing to 12 because it means the 00. Okay. See this. Here you can see it is exactly 9 o'clock. The red color hand shows the hour, it means 9, and the green color hand shows the minute, it means the minute hand. So this time shows 9 o'clock. What it shows? 9 o'clock. Now let's see the 10 o'clock. So the minute hand will point on 12 and the hour hand point to 12. Let's see. See this, the hour hand pointing to 12 exactly and the minute hand exactly pointing to 12. So it shows 10 o'clock. What it shows? It is showing 10 o'clock. Now the red hand, it is hour hand and it is showing the hour. 10. The green color hand showing the minutes and it is 00 minute. So this way you can just draw the hands to show the given time. This is very easy thing, students. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Please write down all the things which we had learned, which we had done in the video. Write down all the things in the fair book one time and in the rough book one time also. Do revision of the FA4 exams. Exams will come soon, so please do revision well. Bye bye.